name? Let me hear you say it.
I can do it.
All right. So we're going to have our new friend Gigi. He's going to say hi, Gigi.
Hi, Gigi.
All right, and we're going to go. Let's go?
Let's go.
All right. So here we go. You're going to tell me what you notice on the screen. So if you look at this, can you tell me, I can make it nice and big, what do you notice on the screen? Give everybody a minute to take a look. What do you notice on the screen? Linus, what do you notice?
So there are a bunch of shoes, and this robot slash alien has
Yep.
3 legs,
Okay.
and I think it might be like a drag and drop thing.
You think it's like a
Because
dragon?
it has that like outline thing, so there's something that has to get there. Those are
Oh, the other class didn't realize that. So, you see
Well,
what he's
that
talking
was
about?
big,
That was big. You notice that?
but they couldn't see it before.
Oh, okay. So here, you notice how there's like kind of outlines around his legs?
yes.
So that sort of makes you think, oh, we need to fill those lines in. Anybody else notice anything else different? Anybody? Anything else you notice? Valentina?
Maybe the shoes like go on his antennas because they're like because you can like place.
Okay, so you think maybe we'll do that. So what are you thinking we're doing with these shoes? Do we think we have to do something with these shoes?
Yeah.
What do you think we have to do, Akil?
Put them in the outlines.
Put them in the outline. Okay, now you'll notice if I go over here that this is a 0. It's sort of faint, you can't really see it, but if you go here. Now, how am I going to get on the shoes? Well, let's say, for instance, I had no idea what to do. I would go into like no man's land, what I would call here. If I click on no man's land, do you see what just happened? Let me do it again.
No.
Did you see
Oh,
it?
Wait, do that again.
Do you see what happens?
Oh.
What happened? Can you tell me what happened?
Turns like there's like a white box around the shoe.
There was a white box around the shoes, so it's sort of like there's a little clue. So if you click on the screen, there's a little hint that says, hey, look at me, and you can start to zero in sort of on what you should be doing. So what do you think I should do? Somebody tell me what you think I should do. Lucy, what do you think?
Drag the shoes to the feet.
Okay, so how many shoes?
2. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Why did you say 2, Debrad?
Because we have 2 feet, and then I was like, oh wait, no, that has 3 feet.
Okay, so that's right. We only have 2, but this alien robot thing has 3. So I'm going to take 1. You think I should go 1?
Yeah.
But it didn't work. Look what happens when I go to drag it. It stays lit. So I'm going to go to 2, and I'm going to go to 3. I've now got 3.
Oh.
Turn to the person at your table. What do you think you should do? All right, I hear it over there. I hear it over at that table. Jack, what do you think we should do?
Like the green button.
Okay, so now I've got 3 lit. I'm going to hit the green button.
Yippee!
And there goes the robot. And there goes Gigi following the robot.
You hear the little ding.
And you hear a little ding. Okay, so now we've got our next thing. We've got our next slide. Now, who's this? Octopus. What am I going to do here? What do you think I'll do? Maggie,
Like 8 shoes.
how did you know 8?
Oh.
Okay, but if you didn't know that an octopus had 8, how could you determine?
You count.
Count 8. Anybody count them? Did anybody actually count up the legs?
I did 4 plus 4.
You did 4 plus 4, so you looked at it and you thought it was
Same.
symmetrical, like Mrs. Moran was talking. 4 on one side, 4 on the other. Okay, how would you attack 8? Would you count up 1, 2, 3? Anybody gonna do it that way? Is that how you would do it?
Yeah.
So you know how I did it when I did it with the other class? I knew that I could go up to 10 and then down 2. So I'm gonna go closer to the end, so I can actually go that way.
Did anyone wonder too, though, if you clicked on the 8th shoe, if
Yes.
all of them would highlight? You were wondering that?
Yeah.
So you could click 1, 2, but right, counting isn't always their most efficient way.
That's gonna take a long time. I went straight to 8. I was like, oh, I know
So that
8
works.
is 2 away. Went straight to 8.
Wonder.
And then I'm gonna do what?
Click the green.
Click my green and then?
I want to see how. Bro.
Yeah.
If you
What? I want to hear Royan's question.
If you do 1 shoe, will the green button appear? Like, does it tell you if you're?
Oh, So let's see.
Will it let you
Will
be
it
wrong?
just-
Okay,
Maybe like they.
so what happens if you get the answer wrong? So let's take a look at this. Let's give the wrong answer. So, how many shoes should we click?
And
No. Well, what's the correct answer first? Okay. So how did you know that I had 6 shoes? That I should click 6 shoes? Who haven't I heard from? Ishita, how did you know?
We already did one alien robot. The first thing we needed 3.
Yep.
Then the second alien robot comes, so we need 3 more.
Okay, and so what operation did you use to figure that out?
Addition.
You what?
I started multiplying
Yeah.
by 2 because there's 2 of them. So 3 things.
Okay, so you did 3 times 2, or, Emily, it sounds like you did 3 plus 3? Okay, so you could do 3 plus 3 or 3. So let's say we decide we want to just do, we're going to say, oh, he's got 4, he's got 4.
Yeah, he's got
Okay,
4.
he's got 4 feet, right? We're going back to what Devaraj said, and we have 2 feet, 2 aliens, 4 feet. Now notice I said 4. My green button.
Yeah. Okay.
So now I'm gonna go.
It
and I'm
lets
gonna-
you be wrong.
It lets me be wrong. So what's gonna happen if I'm wrong?
It'll tell you you're wrong.
Let's see. Do you think?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Oh.
Wah, wah.
Was it the same sound?
No.
It was a ding when he went off, and this was like a wah. It was a dong. It was a dong.
Wait, can you
Put too much shoes?
You want- So now you want to try too many shoes?
Yeah, put all of them on.
Love it.
Okay, so now we're gonna try all of the shoes. So we're wrong again.
You can try scissors and jump over.
Okay, so now let's see if we get it correct. We got our correct shoes, we've got our 6.
Make 7 so we can jump over it.
It's not gonna happen. And then Gigi's gonna learn, and there's the different sound.
I have a question then.
Yes,
So if this comes from brain research.
Yes.
And brain researchers made this program, why might they let you be wrong?
So that you need
Just-
to
Let everyone think. Why might they let you be wrong?
so that you can learn from your mistakes.
Is it a good thing to make mistakes? Like, is it a good thing to learn from your mistakes?
Yeah.
And not get too bogged down with mistakes?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
all right, how should we attack this one? There are only a couple more problems. How should we attack this one? What do you think, Jenna?
I think you should count the number of legs
Okay,
dog, and then we should multiply it by 3 because there's 3 dogs.
okay, so how many total?
4 dogs, 4 legs, and 3 dogs.
So how many sneakers should I fill in?
12.
12, okay. So anyone know how I should fill this in? If I don't wanna go 1, 2, 3, 4, any strategies on how to get to my 12? Kelsey,
The top row and then 2.
so you want me to go whole top row, zoop, and then down to 2 more?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Somebody in the other class, actually, so I'm gonna click off it. I wonder if I can click there. I can always go back to that 0 and that'll like clear me out. Said, just go underneath there. They knew that that top row would give me automatically 10, and then by adding in 2 more, that gave me another 2. Because you know what I thought? Oh, I'll just go here. Anybody know I wanted to go, oh, that was the wrong one. I wanted to go here. Anybody know I wanted to go there? Anybody have any idea why I may have wanted to go to this one right here? The 6th one in? Brooklyn, why do you think I wanted to go there?
So you only had to subtract 4.
So I only had to subtract 4. How many did we say? How many legs did we need? Or how many sneakers did we need?
12.
12. Why did I want to go to that 6th one in? Maggie?
So you can do 6 on the top and 6 on the bottom?
Yeah, I was thinking 6 and 6. I wasn't thinking, oh, I need to have a row of 10 and then another 2 for the number 12. So this is really thinking conceptually in groups of 10.
I was thinking the same thing. I was gonna do the same thing, because I was thinking, 3 groups of 4. I saw 4, 4, and 4.
Right.
Would have gotten me there too.
But we have to think, they're asking us to think about
10
groups
and
of
2.
10. So it's gonna be 12 And there go my doggies. Say goodbye, doggies.
Bye, doggies.
I
like
like
it
it
how-
I like it how when you're wrong, it's not like you're wrong.
It's a different
Yeah.
sound, yeah. Okay, and I think this was our last one in our tutorial.
This is kind
So-
of fun.
I know.
See, math is fun again.
All right, somebody who has not yet gone. You haven't gone? Really? You haven't gone yet?
I haven't gone.
Valerie. How many? How many sneakers should I fill in, sweetheart? 8. All right. I'm gonna go 1, 3, 5, 7, 8.
Yay.
Why not? I'm gonna try my 8.
Yay.
What grade do you think that still was?
Really?
Third.
It was still fun for me.
And what grade?
I like it.
That's not